Let's start by preparing the gel coat mix. Add half a cup of gel coat and add 8 drops of hardener. For reaching off-white color, add a little drop of pigment. Mix and put on the side. Now it's to prepare the crack. Rub the crack with a piece of sandpaper and clean it with the alcohol cream. Now spread a thin layer of gel coat into the crack. Multiple layers are better than a thick layer. Don't be too hurried. Spread gently and let it dry for a minimum of 2 hours. Now the gel coat is completely dry. Start sanding with the lower grit sandpaper and switch to the higher grit of sandpaper. Last step, it is time to buff. We recommend the Chic Marine medium cut compound and the Chic Marine polishing ball for drill. Job done.